Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Today we're going to film a slightly different type of video because I got a really big order today. So we're going to pack it. I'm going to share it all with you. I'm kind of in shock. This is a lady who's ordered before. I'm not going to share her name or any of her details because you guys don't need to know that information. It's private. But this is the biggest order I have ever gotten from one person. Like, this is the biggest order I've ever gotten. I was filming the June episode 63, and I saw the notification pop up at the top of my screen from Shopify saying I had an order, and it showed the total, and I didn't really look at it. I just kind of glanced at it from the corner of my eye while I was talking to the camera, and I thought it was $70. When I opened the order, it wasn't $70. It was $700. And it's all from one person. And it's 30 items. So now we get to go to my new organization system and utilize that beautiful system to pack this humongous order. I'm so glad I organized everything like this. It's not all in bins anymore. So yeah, let's go pack this huge order. Now, the $700 does include shipping. So it was actually less than that, but still, I'm a little, it's been a couple hours and I'm still in shock, okay? I just spent an hour and a half on the phone with a friend because I was like struggling to comprehend what happened. Yeah, this is, to the lady who placed this order, thank you so much. I immediately reached out to her and was like, hey, do you want a Tour de Fleece team tote bag as a gift, as a thank you? Because you placed a really big order and I appreciate it. And she was like, yes, she would take a tote bag. So she's gonna get one of those. I'm so amazed. Okay, I'm gonna quit yapping and jabbering and just let's go get the stuff. I already moved all the bins, and you can hear the fan in the background. It's hot in the house. There's all the shelves and stuff. There's all my products right there, except there's one box up there that I need. One of those boxes is an advent calendar. That's part of the order, so I can figure out which box it is. Hopefully this one, because that one's easier to grab. Got my packing slip, and it should be this one. Yes, I need 2 of these. What else do I need? Sorbet Summer, which is those bright orange and green and yellow ones. She wants all 3 of those. I gotta find it. Is this it? Oh. The tag was hanging off the front. It was right there. Right there. Okay, she wants Stormfly, which is this one. 2 of these. Look. That's all the comb tops. So now we're going to do relax. We've got Cosmic Lights, which is one of these black ones. She wants 2 of them. Does she also want Festival Lights? Yes. She wants all the black ones. She probably wants all these too. Okay. Yeah, I still have some old bats in this bin, and I have some older fibers in here that she also ordered, so I've got to get into both of those. Okay. So we got Daffodil. It's not Laurel. Not Laurel. Daylily. And that's it. Put the other 2 back. So I got everything off these shelves and out of this closet that I need. The rest of what I need is in these bins, one of these bins. So I'm going to put the bins away so I can see the labels. I can't see the labels. Aha, it's this one actually. Never mind. Where did I go first? Here's the stuff. Damn it, I was talking to the camera and it wasn't recording. Okay, we have a problem. We have a really big problem. Okay, it's not that big. I'm missing a bat. I cannot find it. I don't know if I sold it for cash at the Fiber Festival and forgot to take it out of the shop, or if I took it out of the shop to combine it into something else, put it in with my carding fibers and used part of it and forgot to remove it from the shop, or if it's hiding. I don't know. So I'm gonna watch the video from where I originally made that particular bat, and I'm going to see if I can recreate it. If not, then I'll reach out to her and see what she wants to do. So no, I have nothing like that in my stash. I can't recreate that one. I gotta reach out and tell her. I thought I was keeping track of everything. Apparently I missed one. I thought I missed one at the festival, so I'm pretty sure it sold there. I'm pretty sure it was cash, and I didn't write it down, and it didn't get taken out of the store. And I did not double check all of my inventory when I got back because that was just too much work. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my customer to respond, I'm going to put all of her order in this one bin. That's not part of order. No, these are not part of order. I put these away. I need a studio with packing space. That's all but the advent. I can't fit the advent in here.